Tired of the same old Viber notification sound? Want to personalize your alerts and know instantly when a new message arrives with a unique tone? Learn how to change your Viber notification sound on your phone. Changing the notification sound allows you to customize your messaging experience. You can choose a distinct tone that's easy to recognize, or simply pick one that's more pleasing to your ear. This setting is managed within the Viber app notification settings on your mobile device. So, from the Viber app, go to More. In More, go to Settings. Then, on to Notification. Do note that you need to have Use System Sounds options enabled for this. In Notifications, scroll all the way down till you see an option labeled Notification Sound. Here, you should be able to find an option labeled Sound. Tap on it. From there, you'll have to select any new notification sound you want for Viber. And that's it! If you found this video helpful, be sure to go on and hit the like and subscribe buttons. That's a small action from you that helps make a big difference for us. And as always, feel free to comment your experience down below. See you soon! Bye bye!